The server message block SMB protocol has a poor security track over the last decade and years due to its complex implementation and open nature. From the unauthenticated SMB null sessions in Windows 2000 and Windows XP to many bugs over the years. Lots of versions have been devised since Windows 2000 and XP with SMB version 1. Then we have SMB version 2 with Windows Vista and Windows 2008. We have also SMB version 2.1 with Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2. Then SMB version 3 with Windows 8 and Windows 2012. The latest SMB versions are 3.0.2 with Windows 8.1 and Windows Server 2012 R2, and the latest one is SMB version 3.1.1 on Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016, and this is the most secure version. There are some tools in Kali Linux specialize in getting NetBIOS information, such as NDTCAN. Then we use the -R option, then we put the IP. As you can see, it will give us the address, NetBIOS name, the server, the MAC address, etc. These are basic information. We also have another tool, which is enum for Linux. Then we use the -A option, and then we put the IP. This tool, actually, you can have more information than the NBT scan. The target Windows here, Windows machine, is recent, so you will not be able to find these vulnerabilities that exist in the previous SMB version. But to give you an overview of what this tool will give, you will have information about the users created on this machine, the group created on this machine, the password policies, the details of the password policy, information about the host, information about the OS, and some share information. This is actually a good and important tool to use if you want to discover SMB vulnerability. Another tool we have, if we go back to the Nmap, as we said that the NSE scripts are various, and one category of the script relates to SMB OS coverage. The script goes this way: invoke the nmap command. This is the option to invoke a script, and the script name is SMB OS coverage and the target. Here we go. You'll get enough information to prepare your attack, but again, since I'm using the latest version, it will directly quit here.